New Artist of the Year nominee Dove Cameron shows off her nail art at American Music Awards 2022. New Artist of the Year nominee Dove Cameron shows off her nail art at American Music Awards 2022. Dove Cameron is showing off her nail art at the 2022 American Music Awards on Sunday evening, November 20th, at the Microsoft Theater in Los Angeles. The 26-year-old boyfriend hitmaker looked cool for the event, wearing a white top with a black skirt. She paired the look with open-fingered gloves, which showed off her nails. She wore her hair back in a bun with two small braids framing her face and showed off bold graphic eyeliner. Dove is nominated for New Artist of the Year, where she faces off against Gayle, Lacy, Latto and Maneskin. The hitmaker will also take the stage to perform at some point during the evening. Find out who else will perform at the awards show and keep up with all things 2022 AMAs related here. Find out what change to her appearance caused a total identity shift for Dove. Upon winning the New Artist of the Year trophy at the 2022 American Music Awards on Sunday night, November 20th, Dove Cameron dedicated the victory to the queer community, following the tragic shooting inside the LGBTQ+ nightclub, Club Q in Colorado Springs the night before. I want to start by saying that every award that I ever win will always be first and foremost dedicated to the queer community at large. Cameron, whose breakthrough single Boyfriend brought a queer anthem to Top 40 radio this year, told the AMA's crowd from the podium. You guys have carved out such a space for me to be myself and to write music about it, and I've never felt safer or more loved and more supported, and I hope I can give you some semblance of that same feeling in my music. On the heels of the tragedy that happened at Club Q in Colorado Springs, I want to remind everyone how important queer visibility is, and how important our community is, Cameron continued. And I want to direct your attention to organizations like GLAAD, the Trevor Project, for what you can do right now. I want to remind you that you are made absolutely right, and you are so loved and so held, and I want to thank you for supporting me. Thank you for holding the space, I'm holding it for you too. 5 people were killed and at least 25 people were injured late Saturday night at Club Q in Colorado Springs after a 22-year-old gunman opened fire. The music world reacted to the hate attack throughout Sunday, with artists including Casey Musgraves, Phineas and Adam Lambert offering condolences to victims of the tragedy. Cameron's New Artist of the Year win marks the former Disney star's first AMAs win. Boyfriend peaked at number 16 on the Hot 100 chart earlier this year.